تحياتي الخاصة من قناة عز جنودك تسعين. رجاء لا تنسوا الاشتراك في هذه القناة التعليمية، تعليم جميع المستويات، سنة أولى. وشكرا مجددا. Thank you so much. I've been saying in Arabic for those people who cannot understand Arabic. I just want to translate things. I just want to say I'm really very excited that I have certain friends and YouTube friends who support me, and regardless, of course, of the support that I receive every day from my family members, whether is it financial or moral. So I have to admit this. Anyways, I just wanted to subscribe and call your friends so that you can learn and be a very good speaker in English. Anyways, that's not the point. The point is that I want to continue on this course, and so the textbook is Gateway, and most of the time, actually, recently I've been working on the workbook, actually not the student's book, expecting to get it from from Rabat, the capital of Morocco. Yes. All the time we are within the unit 2, education. So the sentence says, study these words. Notice that we can form some adjectives by adding suffixes, like suffix, or because we have got a plural, like, ing, of course, but it's pronounced ing, and sometimes you find ed, at other times a, o, and those which end in ed, o and y. For example, you say rain, rainy, storm, it's stormy today. Okay, and for example, management. Yes, so many words, and this is one of the most important things in derivatives or word derivation. So just to define, for the sake of defining suffix, what does it mean, a suffix? So it's a morpheme. That's a morpheme. The smallest unit within a word is called a morpheme. In Arabic, I cannot translate to you this for the time being, but it's a morpheme that we add at the end of the word to form adjective derivatives, right? Okay, suppose I'm talking about, for example, let's take the word stand. Stand. As on its own, it means something. To stand means to bear, to support. Yes, but when you just say miss, that's a prefix. Okay, here it's why? Because it's in the beginning of the word. Okay, actually, but when I add in the end of the word, I add, for example, ing, this, just to show you, for the sake of explaining to you this, the story of suffix, okay, or the whole process is, affixation, because we have prefix and suffix and infix, so the whole process is called affixation, right? Yeah, so here, miss, you have, I'm so sorry here, I stand, and you have understand. So the meaning changes. You have ender. So ender is a prefix. And you have the stand as on its own, as I explained, I've been explained. stand. stand هو تحمل، يتحمل أو إلى ما ذلك. طبعا understand أزدنا لها understanding، كتولي هاد الكلمة كاملة هو التفهم. understanding. There must be some understanding on the part of the couple, especially in the very beginning of the matrimonial relationship, just for instance. Anyways, I shall clean this, okay? Yes, so that it looks a little bit, yes, elegant, my whiteboard. Anyways, I just have been explaining here. Okay, I said we have got noun, adjective. So now, interest becomes, or a derivative of interest is interesting. We have added, okay, this ing at the end of the word. Here we have added ed, interested, interesting and interested. Okay, so there is a difference between the two. Interesting, ça veut dire intéressant. C'est un participe présent. This is a present participle. Sometimes it works like this, it functions this way. And here is past participle. Interested, ça veut dire intéressé. هو مهتم. وهذا هام باللغة العربية. هام أو مفيد، هذا مهتم. Education, educational بمعنى تربوي، تربية. Taste, الذوق. Tasty يعني به مذاق. tasty يعني فيه ديال التذوق، للتذوق. depend هو اعتمد على dependent هو معتمد. independent العكس هو مستقل. If we just put in the or at the beginning of the word, okay, it becomes here we talk about prefix. I'm not talking for the time being about prefix, I'm talking about suffixes, all right? Okay, so here are some more suffixes like ik, for example, and full. You have also got less and li and ko, yes, and if, oh, for example, generous and okay. Now we move to practice. Find the adjectives for the following nouns in the table. So we have got this on page, I believe, I remember, if my memory doesn't, okay, it's page 11. Page 11. Workbook. So as I said, find the adjectives for the following nouns in the table. So we have here to solve the problem, to come up with adjectives, or through this process of derivation or deriving certain nouns from or nouns or whatever to come up with or to form actually in fact adjectives, right? We have got the noun danger. هو الخطر becomes dangerous. خطر. Psychology, okay, psychology علم النفس. Psychological هو يعني نفسي. هنا علم النفس وهنا psychological نفسي. daily إذا day هو يوم ولكن يومي أو يومي daily. fruit هي ثمرة. مثمر هو fruitful. nation كتعرفوها الوطن الأمة. national بمعنى وطني إلى ما ذلك. importance الأهمية أو أدنى. important, okay, becomes an adjective that we derive from the noun importance. And you have fascination انبهار وطبعا الذهول. fascinating مبهر. okay. care هو العناية. careful بمعنى منتبه. care العناية الانتباه. careful منتبه أو معتني بشيء. medicine كما كتعرفوا medicine. طيب medical هو الادجكتيف اللي كناخذه من medicine. rain المطر. ممطر هي rainy. help كنزيدو لها full. helpful. As you can see, I just write because I have run out of the marker and the pen, and I cannot find. Now it's maybe about 7 o'clock in the morning a.m. So there is no way to bring this. I just try to underline to show those suffixes that we have labeled or just immediately after the base or the root of the word. In other words, helpful, population, populated, here with ed, means this place is populated or overpopulated. That is more. So here we made the prefix over, but this is not the story here. Just follow this suffix talking about. Fame هي الشهرة. كتولي مشهور و famous. You have generosity هو الكرم. كريم أو يعني معطاء طبعا. Generous جاية من le nom generosity. So, and you have health, healthy الصحة. أكل صحي, healthy food. And you have enthusiast, متحمس, حماسي أو, and you have enthusiastic. Okay? You have here psychological, psychological, and I hope that I have tried to provide you with key answers concerning this very modest lesson that actually lays much more emphasis upon the ways to form words. And I think the title of the course is Word Derivation. Thank you so much once more for your attention, and I just believe that I'm doing my best to please and to satisfy your needs. Thank you. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel as Dunuduk 99. As Dunuduk 99, yes.